part today we are going to see a song, a kids song called siiiii akanyonyi, siiiii akanyonyi, and it was composed by that bird which was friendly to the kids, and it used it to wait at them from borehole when they were going to school. And it started to sing these words: "Headmaster, you are leaving, but don't forget your coat. Your coat, your teachers are proud of your coat. We are proud of your school, and we are also proud of the teachers." This created a good relationship between that bird, teacher, headmaster, and this bird inspired many children or kids to love the school, to love education, and respecting teachers. This bird gave happiness to these kids who were going early in the morning, and it created a good relationship between environment and the kids. Thanks for watching. Things you fall apart. Like, comment,